अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ चाइना की एक बहुत बड़ी फैक्ट्री में। इस फैक्ट्री का इंट्रोडक्शन वो आपके सामने इसकी सेल मैनेजर करेंगी और उसके बाद मैं आपको पूरी फैक्ट्री का और इनके शोरूम का खुसूसी तौर पर विजिट कराऊंगा कि ये लोग कौन कौन सी मशीनें बनाते हैं। हेलो, हाउ यू? प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैक्ट्री।
Okay, I'm very happy to introduce about our company. My name is Happy, and I hope everybody be happy. I'm the sales director in Hongwang Group. Hongwang is a manufacturer for construction machinery and drilling machinery. So from here, you can enjoy about our machines like excavator, bulldozer, loader, motor grader, and also other drilling machines.
Drilling machine.
Yeah. So from here, you can get most machines you want.
So let's go to the showroom and
Okay.
show to viewers what machines you have produced.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yes. 10 to 130 ton. From small to big. And from big tab to yes, 400. 400 ton. Oh, that's one. Yes. They try to show you this is about the loader. See the 5 ton loader. The loading capacity is 5 ton and buying capacity is 3 CPM. Our star product, this machine. We call it a horizontal drilling machine. It is mainly for the piping. You know when you want to use a pipe underground. So with this machine, no need to break the ground. You can drill in the pipe hole here downstairs underground.
Very ground.
Yes. This machine can make 5 ton pipes go underground. Yes.
Inside the ground.
Yes. For 5 ton pipes. And
So this engine or this electric?
oh, this is diesel tap. Yeah. Because it's more powerful. And also there's the other taps. We also have big one. So customer can choose as per their purpose. Then here it comes so different drilling machines. Yeah. That is one advantage of our company. 什么？哦，拍照片吗？ Types. Yeah, the drilling machine is magic. It can drill rocks, earth, soil, or mixed. So it's very powerful. And for the drilling, diameter can be different. And drilling depth also different. So you only tell us your purpose, how much diameter of the hole, how much depth you want. Then we can recommend you the machines. Okay, here you can see different machines. We call it hydraulic drilling machine and also pneumatic drilling machines, different types. And for the pneumatic drilling machine, you need to work with air compressor. Later I will show you the air compressor there.
It's electrical.
No, yeah, mostly we use diesel because it's more powerful.
Yeah.
The machines usually they use for to get the water,
Yeah.
and sometimes they need to the mining.
Yeah. The heavy man.
Yes, for the explosion.
Yeah.
Yes. And the orange tab, it is we call the DTH drilling machine, down to hole drilling machine, because it can drill for different directions, up, down, right, left, all the kinds. So it's a very magic.
How many feet can drill?
Different machine, different drilling depths. So we can offer you different models according to your purpose. This is a down-to-hole drilling machine, usually for the mining.
This one.
Yeah, these two models. Yes,
Left and right.
yes,
Left right.
different directions you can drill. Usually for the mining explosion. Okay, so let's go. Air compressor
Yes,
for the
compressor.
air. Yes, for air comes. With the air compressor, it can get more pressure to work efficiently. This is the air compressor. We made it by ourselves. So for the drilling machine, they should use with the different air compressors. And here you can see the drilling process.
一会儿上哪去？我姐过来，咱们带哪去？
我们去那个车间吧。Use with the drilling machine. So we will offer you recommend different types for the different drilling machines. The picture. I did for drilling.
This,
This is for drilling machine.
drilling machine.
And the other side for construction.
they don't have it like it's the same.
Uh,
The same material. That's ball.
Yeah, this is this kind of similar.
It is different.
Different. This one is one type.
तो अगर आप मशीनें लेने में इंटरेस्ट है तो जरूर कांटेक्ट करें। इंशाल्लाह उल अजीज आपको अच्छी सी अच्छी क्वालिटी वाली मशीनें बेहतरीन रेट पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।